Hello and welcome to the preview for the ECB and Bank of England rate decisions. Starting off chronologically at midday, we see the Bank of England rate decision for the latest month, where the MPs are expected to have allotted an unchanged rate decision for the Bank of England this month, so should be no surprises there. But behind closed doors, some are expecting it to be a slightly more exciting meeting, with some seeing August's MPC meeting as the first month at which one MPC member or even two could have voted for tightening out of the Bank of England for quite a few years now. So the most likely candidates are seen as either Martin Wheel or Ian McCafferty, both of those external members on the MPC, but we'll not see any of those details until we get to the minutes release in 2 weeks' time. The near-term market focus will likely shift onto the quarterly inflation report due next week. So swiftly moving on to the ECB, rates there are also expected unchanged. It's highly unlikely that Draghi will announce anything too extravagant to alter the rate path in the Eurozone by anything too drastic. Nonetheless, he's likely to continue to explain that the ECB are awaiting further data on just how their most recent actions are panning out, that being the rate cut that sent the deposit rate into negative territory for the first time in history. In terms of the press conference, he's likely to reiterate that the TLTRO operation allotments that are due later this year, two occasions of those of course, are more than enough to deal with the liquidity constraints in the Eurozone that are being provided by the LTRO repayment announcements. This, alongside the easy monetary policy provided back in June, is likely to keep Draghi and his board confident that any outside shocks such as the Italian recession, the Portuguese concerns and the Ukraine crisis can be swiftly dealt with on a monetary side by the European Central Bank. So unless we see Draghi committing very explicitly to any broad asset purchases down the line, we're unlikely to see anything that will change market focus too much in regards to the ECB. But as always, we'll bring you all those rate decisions as soon as they hit the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. For the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a fantastic day.